Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw mac and cheese, so let's get started. To draw this cute combo, let's first start by drawing mac. So I'm going to come right here and draw an oval. So I'm going to start right here and just draw a small flat oval right here. Now that I have that, I'm going to connect it. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a U right about here and then go right back up to the same level as that point right there. And then I'm going to draw another oval for the other side. There, so I got my two ovals in, and then I'm going to connect it with a really big bottom of a U. So let's come right here, nice and thick in here. And let's go ahead and connect it at the bottom. Nice big curve to about right here, and then go right back up. There. So now we have our mac, right? And then let's bring this macaroni to life. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big circle. First, I'm drawing some cute eyes. But if you're drawing kind of small, you don't have any room, you can just put one little highlight on the corner. But since I'm drawing big and I have room, I'm going to come right here and draw two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. It's the same thing over here. Just draw another eye. And same thing. There, now we have our two drastic cute eyes in. Let's come to this top right here, and I'm just going to draw a soft curve, and in between let's draw a sweet little smile. So a little curve right here and cap it off. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come to the bottom. We're going to draw some feet. So about right here. Just going to bend them in and here, nice and centered. And I'll just add and thicken up this little oval right here for some simple little feet. And then let's come to the side right here, and I'll just draw hands. I'm just going to bend it, and then right here, little hand. There. Okay, so now that we have mac in, let's draw cheese, right? So I'm just going to give it a little bit space and then come up, say about right here. I'm just going to start a little bit higher up, so I'm about in this area. I'm going to basically draw a rounded off triangle. So I'm just going to draw the tip of our triangle. So just draw this little curve, and then I'm going to bring it down. So just angle it down, and as I come down, I'm just going to give it a little notch here and there, just to try to make it look like a piece of cheese. And then I'm going to bring it all the way down to about right here, and then round it off. Now let's draw the other side. So I'm going to come right here, just create our triangle, go all the way down. Say about right here, I could add another little curve if you like. And about right there, once again, round it off. And I'm just going to connect at the bottom. Slight little curve, just to make it a little bit rounder and softer so it's not so sharp. Okay, so then now that I have that, let's add some volume to this cheese. So I'm going to come right here, come down a little bit, and then round it off, come down, just to thicken up our slice of cheese. And then about right there, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a little notch once again. And about right there, I'm just going to go ahead and connect. There. Okay, so we definitely have a slice of cheese now. So then let's bring this cheese to life. And about in this area, I'm going to come right here and just draw some very simple happy eyes. So just one big curve and another one. And I thought it'd be really cute. Let's give our cheese here a big smile with a tongue coming out, because mac and cheese is very yum, right? And then draw a little curve above each eye. And let's add some details to make it look like cheese. You can do this with coloring, so it's not such a harsh black line if you're using a Sharpie. But I'm just going to draw some little circles here for some details. Maybe one here. And let's see, right here and here. Okay, and then let's add some feet. So about in this area, just gonna bend it a little bit and make sure I'm about the same level as the other side, the other foot on Mac, and right here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add an oval for some feet. And then let's see here, the other hand right here, come out right here. I'm just going to bend it to simplify it. The little hand, and then the other side will come about right here. And the other hand will be right here. So let's just go ahead and connect these two with a curve. So the easiest way is just to connect them first, and then in the center of it, just thicken it up to make it look like they're holding hands. There. And that is just so silly, right? I really hope you love this drawing, because I love mac and cheese. And definitely let me know if you love mac and cheese in the comments below. And I really hope this drawing inspires you. And now that we're pretty much done, I'm going to add a heart right here, because they are the best pals, to make it my draw so cute, cute food art combo. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it and I helped you draw this fun and easy, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.